Need to fix the Networkplace Wizard Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before diving into the Networkplace Wizard Library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Networkplace Wizard Library, the User Accounts Control Panel library. It manages the graphical interface for the netplwiz.exe utility, which is used to configure automatic login and manage advanced user permissions. If missing or corrupted, the User Accounts window will fail to open or will display as a blank MMC snap-in, reporting a class not registered error. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running SFC/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Networkplace Wizard Library, DLL, and restore stability. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing Networkplace Wizard Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Networkplace Wizard Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Networkplace Wizard Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Networkplace Wizard Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.